Rajtak 24 News and I am with you, Shruti Channa. Let's move towards top 20 news.
Even if I am in jail, the public should not suffer, says Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has issued instructions to the Water Resources Ministry from ED custody. He said that I have come to know that there is a problem of water and sewer in some areas of Delhi. Even if I am in jail, people should not suffer, he said. If Bangladeshi Muslims stop having more than 2 children, they will get Swadeshi status, says Assam CM. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that Bengali-speaking Muslim migrants of Bangladesh can be given the status of natives if they agree on certain conditions. The first condition would be that they should not have more than 2 children and they should not marry more than once. Lancet warns about decrease in population to start in India by 2050. Lancet has released a report warning that India will see a decline in the birth rate by 2050. In such a situation, this is also a sign of big crisis. It is estimated that by 2050, the birth rate in India will remain only 1.29. Udayanidhi Stalin, son of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and minister in the state government, accused PM Modi of discrimination in allocating funds to the state government. Stalin said, "Now we should call PM Modi 28 paise PM. If Tamil Nadu gives 1 rupee to tax to the central government, the centre returns only 28 paise to us." Congress candidates returning their tickets, says Chhattisgarh CM. Congress has made former minister and Konta MLA Kawasi Lakhma its candidate from Bastar Lok Sabha seat. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Vishnudev Sai has taken a dig at Kawasi Lakhma. CM said that the candidates are not available in Congress and they are returning the tickets. If no one is found, then Kawasi Lakhma has been made a scapegoat. FIR has been lodged against former CM on charges of bribe for protection, says Chhattisgarh CM. CM Sai said that an FIR has been launched against former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel, on charges of taking bribe of rupees 508 crores taken as protection money. This is a matter of shame for Chhattisgarh. We all will have to come together for teaching a lesson to the Congress. Vote is your right and do not take gifts in return, says Bemetra collector in voter awareness rally. To make people aware, Collector Ranveer Sharma, SP Ramkrishna Sahu and other officers and employees took out a voter awareness cycle rally with school and college students. The signboard on the front side of Collector Sharma's bicycle read, "Don't give your vote in return of gifts." There should be video recording of every activity that disrupts the election work, says Rajnandgaon collector. In presence of collector and district election officer Sanjay Agarwal, training of flying squad teams, static surveillance teams, video surveillance teams, video observation teams, accounting teams and assistant expenditure observers was given in the collectorate hall. Collector Agarwal said that video recording of every activity causing disruption in the elections should be done. Randomization of first phase of electronic voting machines takes place at Bijapur. The first phase of randomization of EVM machines used in Assembly Constituency number 89 of Bijapur took place in NIC room under guidance of Collector and District Election Officer in presence of recognized political parties. The entire process was explained in detail to the representatives of the political parties. Training given to sector officers at Dhamtari. Under instructions of Collector and District Election Officer Namrata Gandhi, sector officers were given training given to sector officers at Dhamtari. Under instructions of Collector and District Election Officer Namrata Gandhi, sector officers were given training in the 3 assemblies, Dhamtari, Kurud and Sihawa. In the training, sector officers were asked to inspect the route charts handed over to them and polling stations and submit the information for physical verification in the prescribed format. Appeal to celebrate the festival peacefully made by Kawarda collector. Under instructions of collector and district magistrate Janmejay Mahobe, a meeting of the peace committee was held in Kotwali police station under chairmanship of ADM Avinash Bhoi. In the meeting, an appeal was made to celebrate all festivals in a peaceful manner. Tourists from India and abroad reach Dantewada to see Ganwar Mar. The important ritual of Ganwar Mar takes place on the 8th day of Fagun Madai. This is the most important attraction of Fagun fair. On this day, Ganwar hunting is performed in the last hour of the night. Hundreds of tourists from India and abroad have reached Dantewada to see this. If Kejriwal goes to jail, all opposition will unite, says CM Yadav. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav reached Badwani and offered darshan and worship at Yogmaya temple. While addressing the workers there, he fiercely attacked the Nehru family and the opposition parties. He said that they abuse each other in the assembly and outside but get united when any one of them gets into jail. Same thing is happening in case of Arvind Kejriwal. Too much has changed in the country in last 10 years, says Deputy CM Shukla. Deputy CM Rajendra Shukla has said that the country has changed so much in 10 years. It has become world's third largest startup ecosystem, second largest producer of mobile phones, and so on. Collector inspects arrangements for fair on Chaitra Navratri at Vidisha. Collector Budesh Kumar Vaid and SP Deepak Kumar Shukla jointly took stock of the arrangements for the fair during Chaitra Navratri in the meeting of Shri Mahamai Seva Samiti in Sironj. Along with department-wise allotting the arrangements to the officers, Collector Vaid gave instructions to the officers for better arrangements. It is necessary to have a clear name of the printer and publisher on the promotional material. Political parties and candidates will have to clearly print the name, address of printer and publisher and the number of printed material in the pamphlets, banners and posters printed for publicity. Also, 4 copies of the printed material along with the declaration from the publisher and printer will have to be made available at the district election office within 3 days of printing in the prescribed format. These instructions were given in the meeting of political parties by ADM Harshal Pancholi. Every part of Gwalior ISBT should be made barrier-free, says collector. Make ISBT barrier-free and senior citizen and disabled free. Wheelchairs and tricycles should be accessible to disabled people in every part of the ISBT. Instructions to this effect were given by Collector and District Election Officer Ruchika Chauhan. She had come with Municipal Corporation Commissioner Harsh Singh to inspect ISBT under construction. District Complaint Committee formed to resolve confiscation related cases at Ashok Nagar. Collector and District Election Officer Subhas Kumar Dwivedi has constituted District Complaint Committee. Its meeting is held daily in District Panchayat Ashok Nagar in presence of CEO Dr. Neha Jain. Cases related to confiscation are resolved by the committee. Principals should prepare and present a plan for sweep activities, says District Panchayat CEO. To prepare the action plan and strategy of colleges in sweep campaign for voter awareness, a meeting of principals of all colleges of the district and the officers in charge of the NSS was held in the collectorate meeting room. It was presided over by District Panchayat CEO and District Nodal Officer for Sweep, Siddharth Jain. He gave instructions to prepare and present a plan for sweep activities. Katni collector gives instructions to supply water through tankers. During inspection of polling stations by Collector Abhi Prasad, residents of Tikriya area complained about the problems of the drinking water. Collector instructed Deputy Engineer Mridul Srivastav, who was present on the spot, to supply water to the residents of Tikriya area through tankers until the system of drinking water supply from the water tank resumes.
If you like our news, then please like and subscribe Aaj Tak 24 News and press the bell icon to get the latest update.